Hey guys, it's takasta here. Welcome to another video review. So today I got for you the Fiio E7 and E9 headphone amp and USB DAC combo. So I know this is a little bit different from my usual like keyboard, mouse pad variety. So I just wanted to like change it up because I recently got this, picked this up for quite cheap. Because I love listening to music as well. I love listening to different headphones. So I'm kind of like a mini audiophile myself. So this is basically a, like I said, a headphone amp and USB DAC combo. So these are two separate items. So it will be divided into two parts. So I'll first talk about the Fiio E9 headphone amp. So Fiio, in short, is a company based in China. And they've recently been, they basically make a lot of headphone amps, portable amps, desktop amps, but quite budget-wise. They're targeting a very budget niche. So they ship internationally. They ship Australia, US, etc. So first of all, just let me introduce or show you the features of this. So first of all, you got this big knob here, which you can turn and it clicks, which turns the thing on, and you can just kind of like go all the way till goes from -90 decibels to 0 decibels. So it does pump up any speakers or headphones quite loud. In front you have two jacks. Both of them are this is the 1/4" jack. This is 3.55 mm jack. So sometimes I just plug my headphones into here and I plug my oh whoops, sorry. I plug my headphones in here, I plug my speakers in here, and I don't need to keep on changing them. So I just kind of like turn on my speakers and they play out. I use my headphones, I just turn off my speakers, I just put my headphones on. So this is really nifty. On the back you have the power input, the USB input, which only works with the E7, which I'll explain later. And you have the high gain and low gain, so kind of you can vary it between high impedance and low impedance headphones. However, personally, I don't really find that big of a difference, so I usually just leave it on high. You have the line out for RCA. You also have the pre-output, and you also have the line in this input, I guess. So in addition, you also have this little iPod-looking dock right here. So, but it's actually not an iPod dock. Actually, what it does is it docks this E7 here, and it only docks this E7, especially made for it. So I'll explain how it works later. So as purely as a headphone amplifier, you can basically just plug in through the RCA or the line in directly into your laptop. Although this would really amplify the already amplified sound in your laptop. But it does improve it like by a little bit. Definitely not that much. I wouldn't say when I plugged it into my laptop, because I'm using the Ultrasonic DG1 Pros, I don't think it improved the sound quality that much. But it did. However, it did give it a lot more oomph, a lot more power. It did add to the bass a little bit, not too heavy, but still quite neutral. Does improve the soundstage, definitely. So this is basically the headphone amplifier for the E9. It's just quite cheap, very powerful for its price. So it costs around 130 US. So that's around 900, 950 Hong Kong dollars in where I'm at. Maybe it's a little more expensive if you get it shipped. Overall, it's just a very solid amp. And it's quite big in comparison. I'll give you a size comparison. This is like my iPhone compared to the side, so you can see really how thick or quite big this is. It's a desktop amplifier, so you just put it right next to your laptop or whatever, and it'll just work first fine. You just like turn it on, plop, it works, turn it off. And definitely as a budget, as some conclusion thoughts, as a budget headphone amplifier, it really just does the job. If you have some headphones that really need amping, really high resistance, these will definitely do the job and drive them quite well, and you would have a noticeable difference. However, with headphones which are much more easily driven, they would not have as big as an effect, although it would improve the soundstage slightly, improves the bass, slightly tightens it a little bit. I can't really offer a comparison to like other high-end headphone amplifiers, so this is all I can say for the Fiio E9. So absolutely a great product, worth recommending. yeah. So now I'm going to do part 2 of the video. So just click part 2 of the video. I'll split these two into 2 different videos of the E7, and afterwards I'll talk about the combination of the E7 and the E9. Thanks for watching. Please tune to my part 2.